Hello friends, many of you had a doubt that if our paper is made and it is saved already on the Teams app and we want to add it, how to do it. So the same steps you have to follow. And now listen, I think one or the two sentences you have missed in the video, that is why this doubt has came. So you go and click on the assignment as you were doing. Then here will come a button of create. You click. These all steps are same as you were doing in the morning from the video. When you will click on the quiz, now you see this kind of interface will open. Here are the 4 papers which I have already made and saved. Suppose I want to edit this paper, chemistry 11th paper I have already made and I want to do the editing in this. So as we do in the computer, what we do, supposingly if this is the paper made in Word, I will go on it and I will open it, I'll click and I will do the editing and will save. But in the Teams app, you are not supposed to click the paper which is made already. You have to click always on the new quiz. Did you get? Always on the new quiz. If you want to edit, then also click on new quiz. If you want to make a new paper, then also click on the new quiz. So as I chosen new quiz, it has opened an interface where untitled quiz it is showing. So suppose there are two options now. Two options. If I have to make a new paper, I will continue with this, with the steps which I have told in the video of the morning. So new paper you'll make from here, but I don't want to make the new paper. Our doubt is how to edit the old paper. So you'll go in forms, click on the forms where the word form is written, click on it. Now you see this is the new paper it has generated, but I don't want the new paper. If I want, I will open it and I will do the editing, but I don't want a new paper, so I will delete it. I will delete, continue. Okay, see it has gone. Now in the chemistry 11th I wanted to do the editing. Now you will click on it from here and see this is going to open the question paper which you have made in the morning. This was the paper which I made in the morning and I have shown you how to make the question paper. The net is slow, so it is taking a bit time. See, this is open. Now whatever changes you want to do, whatever editing you want to do, you can do it from here. So this is what, if I want to add a new question, I can add from here. If I want to add a new option, I can do from here. I have added by mistake a new option, so I'm deleting. For adding a new question, you will have to go down from this side. So one thing is supposed to be understood, that more and more you will open and practice, more and more you will understand. So the same paper I have scrolled down and now I can see from here add new option is coming. If I'll click, I can add questions from here. One more thing which I missed in the morning video, it was if you want somebody to rate your video, you can do it from here. As you might have seen, there are certain seminars or something kind of things which ask you to rate them on 5-point scale, 10-point scale. So you can add this option also to your paper, that children can, after writing or choosing the answers, can rate your paper also. So I hope the steps of editing the question paper are clear to you. Remember, only one line is new, which I think you have missed in the morning video, and that is, if you want to make a new paper or you want to edit, always you will go in the new quiz. And once your editing is done, close this from here and you are again back to your home page. So this is how you have to do it.